Hi guys and welcome to Auto Wonders. I'm Akash Khurana, your host, and today we are showing you something amazing and something different for sure. Many of you would want to ride a bike and purchase a new one and try to ride it on different scales. It may be an off-road, it may be on highways, or it may be on the daily traffic as well. But today we are going to show you how to ride a bike. And when you are a new rider, you often tend to make mistakes. You often tend to lose some basic aspects of bike ride, and where we are showing at the Eagle Riders Academy at the off-road camp, wherein you learn how to ride the bike. Let's check this out. It is nice to meet you, sir, today. It's great having you here. Welcome to Auto Wonders. Thank you for doing this for our video.
Thanks for having me over.
Just give us a small intro of yours and sir, tell me something about the Eagle Riders Academy.
Okay. Hi, my name is Samar. I am the owner of Eagle Rider business in India. Eagle Rider is all about motorcycle renting, going on guided tours, and in addition we also have something called as the Eagle Rider Academy, and where we teach people how to ride. This we started 3 years back, and this is a setup where you just come just with a pair of jeans, and then that's it. Rest everything we take care of, including the trainer, the motorcycle, the technique, and we teach you in a closed compound, so you really don't need to have a license as such before you begin. So you can just come, we teach you how to get on a motorcycle, tackle all that is there about motorcycling, difficult conditions, tricky situations, and post that we get you on the road, and that's what Eagle Rider Academy is all about.
Hi, I'm Suparna Sarkar. I'm a motorcycle instructor with the Eagle Rider Academy. It's been close to a year now that I have been into training. Earlier I used to do my own trainings, then Eagle Rider provided me the fantastic opportunity to take the lead, and here I am leading the academy all by myself. I get trainees from all age groups, all backgrounds. Recently I also got my international trainee, and it was a fantastic experience training someone from a different culture. So you see all the bikes around here, these are used for our training. So we start with a very basic motorcycle, an Avenger and a Gixxer, whichever bike someone is comfortable with. Then we make them comfortable on those motorcycles, and then we take them out and make them ride the big machines, either the Royal Enfields or further graduating to the super bikes. So that it is, it's a very fulfilling work that I do here, because riding out there alone is no fun, especially for women. I believe that they don't get an experience of riding motorcycles that easily. So that is where we help them out. So whoever is looking forward to get a training on motorcycle riding. So as I say, that motorcycle riding is not only about shifting gears. There are also riding etiquettes that you need to follow, how to keep yourself safe, how to tackle difficult kind of terrains. All of that we do in our training, and there is so much to learn around motorcycles. That is all I include, and I wish you guys all the very best. Thank you.
Suddenly too much of traffic or anything, any obstacle, anyway, do these signs help you slow down. You want someone to pass and go ahead of you? these are all like general signs, but then you should know specifically what each stands for. You cross, you pass, and then sometimes you do this that you stay, you slow down. I'm handling the bike, I'm riding, and meanwhile I'm guiding the other person also behind me. Watch me. If you want to take a water break, you just go past to another rider. You hit the sign. Water. No other thing. Okay. And if you want to fuel up, you think that the bike is running out of fuel, then you point towards the tank, tell the other person. They would know that you would stop at the next fuel station. Keep a very, very safe distance from the vehicle that is ahead of you. So that if they stop suddenly, like what Samar told you, that in India people just come hayway or they stray cattle, animal, whatsoever. So if you keep a good gap, then you have ample time to brake and stop the bike. If you are just running neck to neck, then they stop, suddenly you stop. The turn. Till the time I complete the turn, I will not straighten the handlebar. Simple. Okay. Keep the throttle on. If you are too slow, we'll stall. Too fast, we'll go outward.
Feeling like I'm back, man. Fighting like my last chance. This Gotham City, you could go and call me Batman. I roam the night, saving holes to the enemy. Louis Buttermilk, pay a couple your utility.
So my experience was really good. I was damn scared, but technically I got a very good instructor. I bumped into a few of the towers and everything, but I managed myself well. And it's a very good experience because not everybody knows how to ride actually well, but I've been taught and I'm pretty good at it now.